Krishna, Hare.
Once Prabhupada was coming down the lift of the Fifth Avenue Temple. So Prabhupada was coming down the lift and his servants were advising him, Prabhupada, please go and take rest in Gita Nagari. Gita Nagari is a farm project not far from New York. But Prabhupada said, please don't take away my privilege to struggle for Krishna. In other words, a devotee, even if he has to struggle for Krishna, even if he has to go through difficulties, he is not in any way discouraged. Rather, he takes this as an opportunity to increase his devotional service to the Lord, just like Queen Kunti prays in the first canto, that my dear Lord, please increase my calamities. Because as I increase my calamities, I meditate at the lotus feet even more. And the more I meditate at the lotus feet, the faster I become free from the cycle of birth and death.